Withdrawing money from Snapchat after your account has been reviewed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can access your fund easily. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Wallet. Scroll down and find the Wallet option. Tap on it to view your balance and transaction history. Step 4. Select Withdraw option. In the Wallet section, look for the Withdraw button. Tap on it to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 5. Choose Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ASHOC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your chosen account. Make sure to check your bank or payment service for confirmation of the transaction.